Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to tell you how to extract Dead by Daylight models. Okay, so as you can see that I am using Epic version of Dead by Daylight. You need to have the base game installed. You can either use Steam version or Epic version, both of them will work fine. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So for extracting Dead by Daylight model we need the F model application, which you can simply search F model on Google, and you can see this is the official F model website. Just click it and download the F model from here. Okay, and you need to also make sure that you join their Discord, because we need the mappings file and also the AES key of the Dead by Daylight game. Okay, so let's go into F model. So friends, as you can see that we have already downloaded the F model application. So we will just open the application. So friends, if you have already used F model and if you want to change the game, you can simply click on this directory option and then selector option. Okay, so you will get the same setting which allows you to change the game. Okay, and you can follow the settings here. And here we need to specify the game pack files download location. Okay, so for finding that we will first go to the Epic Games Store and then click on this three dots and then click on this option and then click on this search option. This will take us to the place where we have downloaded the game. Okay, similarly you can do it in Steam also, and then you need to double click on this Dead by Daylight option and then double click on this content and then double click on this pack files. Okay, you can see all the pack files are here. So we'll just copy this directory link and then close this folder, and then we will go to the our F model, and then here we need to click on this three dot option. Okay, just click on this and then paste the same location here. Okay, you can see the packs location are pasted here, and then click on select folder, and here we need to specify the game version on which the Dead by Daylight runs. Okay, so we will search here Dead, and you can see there might be two game version. One is Dead by Daylight old and one is Dead by Daylight new one. Okay, so both works, but I think Dead by Daylight old will work most for most of the people, and if the people are facing error in engine version problem, then they can go for the new one, but I will go for the old one because it can help us to extract most of the killers and slashers in the Dead by Daylight game. Okay, so we'll just click on this old option and then press OK button and wait for F model to load. Okay, so you can see all the pack files have been loaded here, but they are marked with red icon, which means these pack files are encrypted. Okay, we need the AES key to decrypt this kind of pack files. Okay, the key can be found on F model server and the invite link will be in my description. Okay, so we just need to click on this Discord, and you can see I have already joined the F model server. Here you need to click on this game compatibility option, and here you need to search Dead by Daylight. Okay, so and just press enter. Here you can see this is the Dead by Daylight. Just click on this. Okay, and click on this jump to top option, and when you click on this jump to top option, you will find the AES key. Here you can see there is a 16 to 17 digit code. We just need to copy this code and then paste it into the F model server. So just click on this directory and then click on this AES and paste the static key here and then press OK button. You can see all the pack files are now green, which means they are ready to view. And now we need to add the mapping files, which is really important. The mapping files will be provided into YouTube video description. You can download the mapping files from there. You can see this is the mapping files. Anything that is ending with US map file is the mapping files. We need to add it into the F model application. So first of all, we'll just click on the settings and then click on this general option, and here you need to click on this local mapping files. Okay, click on this three dot to go to the place where you have downloaded the mapping files. I have downloaded it here. So we'll just click on this mapping file and then press open button and then press OK button. You will get a notification here like mapping pulled from this file. Okay, so right now we have set up the F model properly. Now we are ready to click on this load option. Here you need to make sure the loading mode is on all. Any other option will not work, so make sure it is on all and then click on this load button. Okay, and wait for some time. You can see now the pack files have been successfully decrypted to the Dead by Daylight game folders, and here you will find all the option. Okay, so before doing anything here, you need to make sure to join another server which is called Dead by Daylight rendering. Okay, in this channel you will find stuff related to Dead by Daylight rendering and many other things like the models and their location. So this server will help us to get the location that where all the killers and slashers models are available. So if you go to this FAQ frequently asked question channel, just click on this and go a little bit above. So you can see all the killer code names are available here, and they have also told you that where to find this. So you need to click on this Dead by Daylight plugin DBD characters, and inside this all the killers and slashers are available. Okay, so we'll go to the same place. We will minimize this, go to the plugins, and here you will find Dead by Daylight characters, DBD characters. Just click on this and you can see all the killers and slashers models are available here. Anything starting with K is killer model and anything starting with S is slasher model. So again, if we go to the Discord, you will find all the killers and slashers name and their code here. You can see there is a Ada Wong option here and her code name is S32. So let's try to preview her model. Okay, so we will just go to this S32 option. So we'll minimize this and go to the S32. You can see this is the S32. We'll click on this drop down and then click on art assets. Okay, and here you will find the models folder. The model folders contain all the model related to Ada Wong. So again, click on this drop down and first click on this heads folder, not on this drop down. Just click on this heads folder. You will find Ada Wong head here. So just double click on it to preview it. You can see this is the Ada Wong head here. Okay, and now again click on this folders icon and this time click on this drop down of the heads folder. Click on this drop down and you can find a message folder. Just double click on it and you will find different heads here. So all the heads are different skins of Ada Wong. They are basically hair part of the Ada Wong. So just preview it. You can see this is the hair one, and if I click on this is the white hair, and if I click on this is another hair, and ACC6 is a hair with spectacles on. Okay, so again go to the folders and we will close the heads. Now we will click on this legs option. You can see all the legs means the bottom part of Ada Wong are available here. Okay, you can see this is the part and this is the another, and I think, oh shit, and this one I don't know what type of character they have made. And again we have also got a folder named torsos, so we will click on this and you will find all the above body part of Ada Wong. Okay, you can see this is the thing that Ada Wong wears. So these are the torso locations. Okay, and if I click on this torso and click on this AD, there might be some other meshes and they are actually the additional things that are available on Ada Wong body. Okay, so this is how you can actually find the character models in Dead by Daylight video game. Okay, now I will tell you how to import these models into Blender, and we need to actually be very careful doing this because we need a lot of plugin to import the Dead by Daylight models into Blender. We need basically 2 to 3 plugins. I will tell you about every plugin you need to download and install it into Blender. Okay, so let's start the Blender tutorial now. Okay, so we will just minimize the F model here. So friends, there are total 4 plugins that you need to download to run the DVD models properly into Blender. Okay, so first of all you need to go to this Dead by Daylight rendering server, and here you will find an additional folder named add-on files. We'll just need to open this add-on files, and here for the first add-on you will find is FFUS. Okay, so you need to download this and install it into Blender, and right now I am using Blender version 5.0.1, not 5.1, 5.01, 0.1. The latest Blender version won't work, so it's better to use a downgraded Blender version 4.5, 4.5.0. This kind of Blender version will work properly. Okay, so first of all download this plugin. This is a auto texturer plugin. You just need to click on this download option, and then you need to download another plugin called Fuse Skeletons. Okay, which will help us to merge different body parts, different skeleton of different body part. Okay, so you need to download this plugin and install into Blender, and then you need 2 more plugin which I will provide you the link in YouTube video description. You need to download those plugins. So the plugins are IO import Unreal, PSK PSA. This will help us to import the PSK PSA models, and then we need to also import the UE format plugin also, which will help us to import UE model and UE anim in our Blender. Okay, so we need to install both of this plugin. Okay, so these are the total plugin that you need to install into Blender. So currently I am using Blender 5.0.1. So just double click on this and open our Blender, and I will tell you how to install one plugin, and then you will install other also rest of the plugin the same way. So you'll just need to click on this edit and then click on preferences and then click on add-ons, and here you will find a drop down. Just click on this and then click on install from disk. Okay, and go to the place where you have downloaded all the plugins. Okay, so you can see there are 2 plugins here, and I have already installed the other plugins, so which I won't show. So for installing any plugin, you just need to click on the plugin and then click on install from disk, and then search again the plugin name. So right now I have installed the PSK PSA plugin. So you can see this is the PSK PSA plugin. Make sure that this icon is checked. Okay, otherwise your plugin will not work. Okay, and now once you have checked this option, you just need to click on this and then click on save preferences. Okay, and then close the option. Okay, now you are ready to import the files into Blender. Now we will go back to the F model, And here we will choose some character. We will decide some character. We will go to the Discord server first, and we will go to the FAQ, and let's go for Nicolas Cage S38. Okay, so S38 is the Nicolas Cage's location, so we'll go for the S38 option here. S38 is here. Just click on this drop down and then click on art assets and then click on model. So before exporting anything, just go to the settings and then click on models, and here you can see the mesh format is UE format. You can try any other format if you want to if you want the model to be able to custom pose on that model. I recommend you use PSK PSKX and export bones as socket. Just click on this option and then don't click on this, don't export bone sockets. This will help you to manage the models and the bones very easily. Okay, so for now let's go for PSK PSKX and we will select this option. Okay, so we will try to custom pose the models also. Okay, so just press OK button, and here now we need to click on this heads folder first, not on this drop down. First of all we need to click on this heads. Okay, and double click on this head. You can see this is the Nicolas Cage's head, so we will just right click here and then click on save model and wait for some time because this process is very heavy and it requires a lot of time. So wait and let the head to be exported. Okay, you can see the head has been exported. Now we need to click on the folders again and then click on this option. Okay, and then go to the ACC folder and then double click on models folder. Okay, you will find different hair styles here. Okay, so we'll just click on this ACC01. Okay, so you can see this is the hairstyle in which there is a beard and hair, and there are a lot of hairstyle like glasses and other. So it's up to you, you can add different according to yourself. So we'll go for the default here, this one ACC01. So we'll just right click here and then click on save model and wait for some time to get it saved. And again we need to click on this folders icon, and now the heads portion is completed. Now we need to click on the legs folder and we will export the default leg. So anything with 01 thing is the default leg, so just double click on it. Okay, I think this one is a default, or maybe 010 is the default. I don't know, you can try anything, it's up to you, and you can make different combination of body and legs to make the model look more interesting. That's not even in the video game. Okay, so we will go for this legs 01. Okay, I think this is the default one, lex01. So just click on here and then click on save model and wait for some time to get the model saved. Again go to the folder, the leg works is done. Now we need the torso thing, so just click on this torso and we will go for the default torso, skm torso 01. Just double click on it. You can see this is the default torso here, and we'll just right click here and then click on save model and wait for the torso to get saved. Okay, and again we will click on the folders, and now we need to export the textures here because our head, legs and torso is done, so our skin is completely exported. So just right click on this texture folder and then click on save folder packages textures. Okay, this will save every texture that available or related to this character Nicolas Cage. Okay, and this will take a lot of time, I think 2 to 3 minutes, so be patient and let it export and wait for some time. So friends, as you can see that our textures has been exported. Now we are ready to open our Blender and start importing the models. Okay, so as you can see our Blender is already open, and I hope that you have already installed all the plugins and you won't face any plugins problem. If you are facing plugin problem, you can tag me on Discord, I will help you. Now we need to click on this file, import, and then PSK. Okay, again we need to go on to this F model, and here first of all we will import head. So just click on this folder to know where our head is saved. So we'll just copy this and then close this option, and again go to our Blender and then paste the head folder here and click on this PSK folder and then import PSK. Okay, you can see our head has been imported. Okay, so for now we will disable the bones because these are very disturbing. So the head has been imported. Now we will try to import the hair. So again we will go to the F model and click on this option to know where our head is saved. So we will just copy this location, close this, go to Blender, file, import, again PSK, and then paste the head location here and then click on this and then import PSK. Okay, you can see the hair has been imported. Now we again need to go to the F model and now we need to import the legs. Okay, so just click on this folder, copy the legs location and close this, open the Blender, file, import, PSK, paste the leg location here and then select the legs and then import PSK. And now again we need to import the torso. So the last option is for torso, just select it and then copy this location and then close this folder, open the Blender, again file, import PSK, and we can import the torso here also. So just select the torso and then import PSK. You can see the Nicolas Cage model has been successfully imported, and if we click on this bones, you can see all the bones are successfully there, but right now the model is not textured. So if you press N button on your keyboard, just press N button on your keyboard, you will find a plugin named FUSS. I have hope that you have already installed this plugin, and if you have not installed it, make sure to download it from Dead by Daylight rendering server and start it into Blender. Now we need to click on this settings here, and you can see there is a export folder path. So we need to specify this plugin that where our F model export folder is. Okay, so we will just go to this F model, and you know, in NAST we have exported the texture. You can see we have exported 172 texture. If you click on this last option, it will show you the export folder location. Okay, so just go to this F model, and then you can see, just go to this output, and here you will find this export folders. Okay, you can see we need to find this export folders only. Just copy this location and close this place and go to the Blender and here you need to click on this folder icon and paste the location here. Here you need to choose the export folder, or you can double click on it and then press export button. Okay, so you can see we have justified the export location, and here we need to click select export program F model and game Dead by Daylight. Okay, so matched with, and we don't need to change further settings, we are good to go. Okay, so now we will select every mesh that is on this Nicolas Cage body. Okay, so we'll select like this and then again press S button. You can see it is already told us to set up the all 8 materials that are available here. So we'll just click on this option and wait for some time, and you can see it has textured the model in 0.48 second. If we click on this texture preview mode, you can see the Nicolas Cage and has been textured, and the texture looks so amazing, guys. You can see how much dope this Nicolas Cage looks. Okay, so we can also click on this option and then go to color management, then go for filmic and turn this high contrast. You can see now it looks more better. Okay, so this is how you import the models and actually try to texture the Dead by Daylight models into Blender. Okay, and now I will tell you how to actually pose the models, guys, because you can see there are different bones for different body part. Okay, so you can see if I click on this bone and start posing or do anything, it will only affect this part of the body. If I move this part of the bone, only that part will move and the rest of the body will be at beside. Okay, so this is not good. So we need to fuse the skeletons. Okay, so first of all we need to find the skeleton which is head. Okay, so just select any bone here. You can see there are a lot of bones, just select randomly. So you can see I have selected this bone, and if you try to move this, then this is the head. We need to basically attach all the bones to this head model only. Okay, so skm s38 head 00 is the main head folder. Okay, all the bones must be attached to this head bones only. Okay, otherwise your model will get distracted or distorted when you try to pose them. Okay, so we'll just press Ctrl plus Z and we will shift select everything. Okay, so just hold shift, click here, again click here and click here. All the bones have been selected. Again press N button and go to this fuse set. Okay, and here you need to select skeleton. I have already tell you we need to fuse it to head 00. Okay, so we need to select head 00, the main head model. All bones must be fused to the main head model. Okay, so once we select this and then just click on fuse skeleton, you can see now all the bones have been combined into one, and if I try to move the bones, you can see the whole model moves. Okay, now we can also pose the model. You can see there are very less bones because we were using PSK format, and we can easily pose this model. So we will just select the bones and then go to this pose mode, and we can actually start posing our models. Okay, so let's click on this wheel. You can see we can rotate his hands, we can do this kind of thing. Okay, so we can actually make this guy do a little high kind of thing, like this. You can see he is waving at us, and we can do a lot of thing with his body. Okay, so there are a lot of things that you can do. It's up to you. It takes time, the posing takes time, but you will slowly you will learn how to pose. Okay, so this is how you import the F model. This is how you import the DBD characters into Blender. And you if you enjoyed my tutorial, guys, make sure to like and subscribe my channel. In next video I will tell you how to import the animation on these kind of characters. Okay, there are a lot of animation that comes pre-built into video game. We can use this animation to pose our models also. Okay, So till then guys, goodbye, see you later, signing out, your favorite YouTuber Warlord Tutorials. This video has been very long because there was a lot of things to tell. So if you face any problems in DVD rendering or importing, you can tag me on Discord and I will try to help you. Okay, so see you guys.